Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a brand new Nautique G25 that we just got into stock. This is the biggest of the G lineup and the Nautique lineup. So 25 feet in length. This is your ultimate surfing and wakeboarding boat. 25 feet, so you can bring pretty much everybody that you want. It's a great boat. We've got the beautiful haze gray along the side here. And then a nice accent that we have on the side is the crimson red metal flake. So in the sun, this really pops. It's really cool looking. As we come to the back, we got the nice swim platform here with the sea decking. We did add a ladder with this one. And then just like every Nautique, you got your NSS, so your Nautique surf system, and then your NCRS, which is your Nautique configurable running surface. We've got the surf pipe to take all the emissions from the boat and put those down into the prop stream. And then we also added steer assist. So being able to steer this boat when it's fully loaded straight in a back, going backwards in a straight line, or hitting it and going a 360 around docks and lifts, or just out in the middle to get a rider. So really nice to have there. A lot of different features on the interior. You can see the seats. Very comfortable to sit up there when you're just hanging out with everybody. So there's a lot more things to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this G25. So we'll take a look at the color combos we got here. Kind of like the outside, we got the crimson red with the haze gray, and then a little bit of white tied in with everything. So it looks really nice, really cool. Obviously, with all our Nautiques, you got the nice walkthrough here with the sea deck. We've got a cooler in the back. We got the seats in the back. So lots of space back here when you're just hanging out, anchored out and swimming. So, but as we come into the boat, again, 25 feet in length. So your cockpit is massive. You've got places for people to sit here. Under both of these seats is massive storage, and as you can see, there is lighting in there. So if you do come in later at night, you've got lighting underneath. We've got the nice bench seat that pops up. This rolls up here, and you've got a seat to sit back and watch all the surfing or wakeboarding. As we look up at the tower, we got one pair of 8.8-inch JL drivers up there, so those are really nice, really loud, get the sound back up to your riders. And then we have the board racks, the strapless board racks. These just pop up, put your wakeboard or wake surfer board in there, real easy to use. We've got a seat backrest that pops up here, and then we also have some nice deep storage in here. You can see the garbage can, and then we have access to that garbage can outside as well. Then up at the helm, they've got a beautifully appointed helm. We'll start with the helm seat. So the helm seat, very high in the back, so it really supports your back. And then we got a little cutout right here. Your leg can slip right through here. And then we have the bolster that pops up. So everything that Nautique has is right here in their 12.8-inch link screen. So everything we need to control the boat is up into here. You can also control it right here from this dial while your hand is up here by the throttle as well. So a lot of fun features right here. And then as we come to the bow, again, G25, so massive bow in this G25. You got storage underneath both of these. These hinge up. And then also we have the bow filler. Right now it's flipped over, so you have the sea deck, so you can step out of the boat pretty easily. If you flip it over the other way, it's gonna have the seating, just fills it all in. So again, G25, this is the ultimate wake surf, wakeboarding boat. If you wanna bring all your friends, this is a 19-person boat. We got plenty of storage, plenty of space for everybody. Bring the whole family. This boat is here in Rogers, so if you wanna stop by or call us to get an appointment, that'd be great. We'd love to show it to you. And as always, click the like button and then click to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and any other videos we're putting out. Thank you.